In today's video, we discuss the top 7 vegan foods that you should avoid. Roll the titles.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, just a quick reminder that I'm now offering the SIBO organic acid stool test and consult via my website. So if you have any health or digestive problems, then consider taking these tests, as they will provide a lot of very detailed information upon which you can start making informed decisions and then start getting your health back on track. And on that bombshell, to the video. So before we jump into the 7 foods, I just want to clarify something. So these are foods that I personally won't eat, as I prefer whole foods. But as you will have heard me say on this channel before, try and aim for the 80-20 rule. You want 80% of your diet coming from whole foods, and if you are going to eat some of these foods on this list, then try and keep them to occasionals in your diet. Number 1 is processed vegan meat substitutes. Processed vegan meat substitutes offer convenience and flavour for those looking to reduce or eliminate meat from their diets. However, their health implications deserve attention. A 100-gram serving of vegan sausage can contain up to 20 grams of fat, much of it possibly saturated, depending on the product. Additionally, these items are notorious for high sodium levels, sometimes exceeding 500 milligram per serving, which is a significant fraction of the daily recommended limit of 5 to 6 grams for adults, depending on where in the world you live. Beyond fat and sodium, the list of ingredients often include various additives like carrageenan, used for thickening and emulsifying, and methyl cellulose, a binder and filler. And these substances can be digestive irritants for some people. And while these meat alternatives can play a role in a diverse vegan diet, they are best consumed in moderation. The reliance on highly processed refined foods can detract from the health benefits typically associated with plant-based eating patterns, emphasizing the importance of whole, minimally processed foods for optimal health. Number 2 is vegan junk food. While veganism is often associated with health and wellness, not all vegan foods contribute positively to a healthy diet. Vegan junk foods such as candies, chips and cookies can be heavily processed and rich in unhealthy ingredients. A typical serving of vegan gummy candies, around 50 grams, can contain as much as 30 grams of sugar, contributing to the daily sugar intake without offering any nutritional benefits. Similarly, vegan chips might pack more than 10 grams of fat per serving, including saturated fats if made with coconut or palm oil. These foods also often contain artificial colours, flavours and preservatives, further distancing them from the nutritional ideals of a whole food plant-based diet. And consuming these foods in excess can lead to weight gain, increased risk of chronic diseases and also nutritional deficiencies. While they can satisfy a craving without animal products, relying on vegan junk food can undermine the health advantages of a vegan diet, emphasizing the need for moderation and a focus on nutrient-dense whole foods. Number 3 is refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, such as those in white bread, white pasta and other products, made from white flour, are stripped of their natural fibre, vitamins and minerals during processing. A slice of white bread weighing approximately 25 grams provides around 14 grams of carbohydrates but less than 1 gram of dietary fibre and minimal essential nutrients. This significant reduction in nutritional value results in quick digestion and rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to increased hunger and overeating. And regular consumption of refined carbohydrates is linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and also obesity. While these foods are vegan, their lack of nutritional value and negative impacts on health highlight the importance of choosing whole, unrefined grains instead. Whole grains retain their fibre, vitamins and minerals, supporting a healthy digestive system, better blood sugar control and overall health. Number 4 is certain vegan cheeses. These vegan cheeses have grown in popularity as dairy-free alternatives that mimic the taste and texture of traditional cheese. However, some vegan cheeses, particularly those based on coconut oil and starch, are high in saturated fats and lack the nutritional profile that makes plant-based diets beneficial. A 20-gram serving of certain vegan cheeses can contain up to 5 grams of saturated fat, making them a concerning choice for individuals watching their intake of this type of fat. Additionally, these products often offer little in the way of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a less nutritious option than nut-based or soy-based cheeses. The appeal of vegan cheese lies in its ability to replace dairy cheese in various dishes, but its consumption should be limited due to its high saturated fat content and low nutritional value. Opting for vegan cheeses made from nuts and seeds can provide a healthier alternative, offering more nutrients and healthier fats. Number 5 is vegan desserts. Vegan desserts, including ice creams, cakes, and cookies, made without animal products, can be just as high in sugar and unhealthy fats as their non-vegan counterparts. For instance, half a cup of serving of vegan ice cream can easily contain over 15 grams of sugar and 10 grams of fat, primarily from sources like coconut oil, which is high in saturated fat. So while these desserts avoid the ethical and environmental concerns associated with dairy and egg production, they can still contribute to health issues such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes if consumed in excess. The challenge with vegan desserts lies in their formulation. Manufacturers often rely on refined sugars and fats to achieve desirable textures and flavors, compromising on their nutrition. Enjoying these treats in moderation is key, as they can fit into a balanced diet, but they should not become a staple due to their high calorie and low nutrient content. For healthier alternatives, seeking out desserts made with whole food ingredients like nuts, fruits, and whole grains can provide sweetness along with nutritional benefits. Number 6 is highly processed soy products. Highly processed soy products, such as certain meat substitutes and flavored tofu varieties, often contain additives, preservatives, and high levels of sodium and sugars, diverging significantly from their whole soybean origins. A 100-gram serving of a flavored processed tofu product can contain up to 8 grams of fat, 5 grams of added sugars, and a wide array of food additives designed to enhance taste, texture, and shelf life. These can include artificial flavors, colorants, and emulsifiers, which some individuals may wish to avoid for health or dietary reasons. While soybeans and minimally processed soy products like tempeh and edamame are celebrated for their high-quality protein, fiber, and isoflavone content, their highly processed counterparts offer a less nutritious profile. Frequent consumption of these highly processed soy products can lead to excessive intake of unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium, undermining the cardiovascular and metabolic benefits traditionally associated with a soy-rich diet. Opting for minimally processed soy products and incorporating a variety of protein sources in the diet can help maintain the health benefits of a plant-based diet. Number 7 is energy bars and vegan health snacks. Many vegan energy bars and health snacks are marketed as nutritious options suitable for on-the-go lifestyles. However, a closer look at their nutritional labels often reveals high levels of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and a long list of additives including preservatives, artificial flavors, and colorings. A typical 45-gram energy bar can contain between 10 and 20 grams of sugar, almost half the recommended daily limit for added sugars, as well as up to 10 grams of fat, including saturated fats from oils like palm oil. These bars may also pack in various syrups and sweeteners, contributing to their high sugar content. So while convenient, these snacks can contribute to sugar spikes, weight gain, and an increased risk of chronic diseases if consumed frequently. Despite their healthy image, many of these products offer little in terms of whole food nutrition, often lacking in fiber, vitamins, and minerals found in natural, unprocessed foods. To truly benefit from a vegan diet, focusing on whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains for snacks is advisable, as these provide a rich array of nutrients essential for optimal health. Anyhow, that's the end of today's video, and if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out this one up here because I'm sure you'll find it equally interesting. And the only other thing that's left for me to say is to remember to look after your body because it's the only place you have to live. And I'll see you next time.